Hey y'all, it's Gigi. Come on in and cook with me. How's everyone today? It's rainy in Georgia. It's gonna rain all day today. They're calling for rain tomorrow. So it's wet and dreary, but we had to go out in it anyhow. Y'all know Mondays, bank, errands, groceries, had to go get my tires checked out and rotated and all that good stuff today. So we've been running around doing some errands and we're hungry. So my husband's outside piddling and in his shop and doing some things out there that he needs to do. And I am going to fix us something to eat. So y'all come on in. Hang out with me. I'm going to make up some tuna salad. As far as I know, I've never done this with you. It's not hard. Everybody does their tuna salad, you know, how they like it. So I'm just going to show you how I do it. And it may seem like I'm making up a lot, and I am. I'm using 5 cans. I love the Star-Kissed albacore, and I use the tuna in water, okay? And this is the less sodium, 25% less sodium. So this is what I'm using. I have opened and drained 5 cans of this, and while that may seem like a lot for 2 people, I am making up some extra tuna salad so that I can put it in my husband's lunch this week and make him tuna salad sandwiches or tuna salad wraps or a salad. And he likes to eat tuna on the top of this salad. So I can do so many different things with it. But right now, I'm going to be making it for our lunch. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing. I'm glad to have y'all here with me today. I hope you're all doing good and you're staying dry. I know it's getting cold. The weather's getting colder. And I've got my sweatshirt on today. Isn't it cute? I know I showed y'all this in a picture, but I just adore this. Oh, come let us adore it. I love this sweatshirt. Shout out to my girl Macy at Raising Arrow Designs because she made this for me and I love it. It's very soft and I like my sweatshirts a little big, so it's a little, it may be a little baggy. It's a large and it may be just a little bit baggy, but that's kind of how I like my sweatshirts. So anyhow, let's get busy. I'll try to talk to you while I'm working. I've got 5. You know what? Let me adjust y'all down a little bit because there we go. There we go. I think I had y'all a little bit out of sight. I've got 5 cans of the, let's see what size these are. Y'all know I probably can't. These are 5-ounce cans. Yeah. It says drained 4-ounce, but it's just the small little cans of tuna, and I'm using 5 cans of it, okay? Okay, and so to this, now when I make my husband's sandwiches or wraps or whatever, I'll probably dice up some onions or slice up some onions on his sandwich or his wrap, but I'm gonna be using onion powder today for my sake because I'm gonna be making me a sandwich out of this. So, I'm not going to put any chopped onions in it today. I'll put a sliced onion on his sandwich, okay? All right. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my little handy dandy KitchenAid chopper. I have boiled some eggs. And all you got to do is go one way, pick it back up, turn the egg the other way, slice it that way, and you've got boiled eggs chopped easy. So I love this little thing, especially for like chopping or dicing up eggs. Sometimes I don't always use it, but okay. So I do it that way, and then I raise it back up, put it in there, and I do it the other way. So I just chop it this way, chop it that way, and it comes out in perfect little pieces, okay? All right. Now I am going to put in some onion powder. And once again, you know, when you're making stuff like this for you to eat, for your family or for your liking, you just kind of measure with your heart and you put in it what you like. But this is onion powder. And I've also got some garlic powder that I like to put in mine. And I put salt. Let me grab a spoon so that I can kind of gauge how much to tell y'all. I'm gonna do a half of a teaspoon of pepper and about a half a teaspoon of salt. Okay, alrighty. And then I have some pickle relish. I like the dill. You use the sweet if that's what you like. I've had both and I've used both, but I like to put a heaping teaspoon, and I do mean heaping, okay? So probably more like a tablespoon or tablespoon and then some. Whatever y'all like. Okay. And then I've got, let me get my other spoon. I'm gonna get out as much of this. I'm about to the end of this mayonnaise jar. But I'm gonna go ahead and use what I can out of here. And if I need more, I've got another one sitting right here beside me, ready to open. And I'm gonna need just a little bit more. I can already tell. So I've already opened, pulled the top off of it. So I'm gonna get just a little bit more out of this new container. Okay, let me see. Y'all know I like black pepper. I think I'll need a little bit more black pepper. Yeah, just a little bit more. Alrighty, let's give this thing a stir and see if we need to add anything, any more mayonnaise, or give it a little taste test before I put it on my sandwich. Smells good. I smell that onion powder and that garlic powder. This is funny, but I know y'all hear me mixing that around. My daughter hates that noise. She's like, oh, Mama, when you do those videos and that stirring that. I was like, well, honey, you got to get in there and get it mixed up. Okay. Oh, sorry. Let's give that a little taste and see if we need to add any more salt. Or... Oh, no. It's just fine. That is just fine. What did I do with my... There it is. And clean up a little bit around my station here. Now I'm going to use this bread for me. My husband loves the Nature's Own honey wheat, so that's what I'll be making for his. I like the, I get this at Publix, and this is just the Hero. I call it the Hero Zero bread, but it does have one carb, but the other, this is the seeded bread. The seeded has one carb, but if you get just the regular bread, it has 0 carbs. Sometimes I grab whatever they have. Okay, so all I'm gonna do for my sandwich is I have washed my lettuce. I've just got a green leafy lettuce here. Hold on, I'll tell y'all exactly what kind I'm using. Little Leaf Farms. It's from Little Leaf Farms, and it's just a leafy green lettuce. Okay, so I've got I have sliced me up a couple of tomatoes to go on mine. And just for good measure, wipe my finger off. Just for good measure, I'm gonna do a little, just a little salt and pepper on my tomato. And we're gonna put, oh, and I've got my cheese. I'm gonna be using the pepper jack. I figure those jalapenos give it a little extra kick. Okay, so we're gonna put our tuna salad right on top of our tomatoes. I love a tuna sandwich. And sometimes I'll just take the tuna and the cheese. I may do that on a different video with you on another day, but sometimes I take, I don't know why I feel like y'all are so far away from me today. Sometimes I'll take just the tuna and the cheese and I'll do a tuna melt and I'll grill it like I would a grilled cheese sandwich and I'll do a tuna melt. But anyhow, let's, and boy, that's gonna be a mighty big bite. Let's give it a, so y'all can see the inside. Don't that look good, y'all? Yes. It's delicious too. Get us a couple of little hickory barbecue chips. And what I will do is I will, see that? I will take and I will put the remainder of the tuna. I'll just put it in this lock and seal bowl that I have, and then I'll just pop it, after I make my husband's sandwich, I'll pop it in the refrigerator. And then this week, I have got tuna salad that I can, let me get my spoon. I don't want to waste that. I mean, I know it ain't just but about a half of a teaspoon, but it's okay. There we go. And I will make him a sandwich, and then I will pop this in the refrigerator. And I've got tuna salad for the week, for my lunch, for his lunch. But let's go ahead and take us a bite of this sandwich. That's good. That hits the spot. That's perfect. I mean, I know I'm a little heavy-handed when it comes to a pepper, but my husband and I both love black pepper. Got my little Christmas cup. Okay. Guys, it's just that simple to whip you up a good lunch. And make you some extra so you have it to put in the refrigerator. Eat off it that way. I like to put it on crackers. Sometimes I'll make me a lettuce wrap and just put it inside of lettuce and wrap it up. Like I told y'all, sometimes I'll grill it and do a tuna melt. There's a lot you can do with it. Some people don't like tuna, and you can do the same thing basically with chicken salad too. So it's a quick, easy, and I made extra I made extra boiled potatoes when I was boiling those for my tuna salad. I made extra, just went ahead and boiled up some extra potatoes. Eggs, because I can put them in so many different things too. Tuna salad, potato salad. But my husband likes to eat them in the morning for his breakfast, like maybe with a piece of toast and some fruit. So I've got that done too. Plan ahead. What is it? Work smarter, not harder. Preparation sometimes will save you a little bit of time and energy. Well, I'm going to hush and I'm going to go. I'm going to go ahead and fix my husband a sandwich and a plate and see if he's ready to eat. Sandwich and some chips on a plate. And go and eat my sandwich and enjoy it. Well, I appreciate you so much joining me one more time in my kitchen and hanging out with me and keeping me company while I made me some lunch. I appreciate it so much. Tomorrow, I've got something Christmassy. I want to do a little thing for the holidays, so that's what my plans are. But until then, I'm going to go. I'm going to hush and go and let you sweet people get back to your day. Thank you for coming into my kitchen, hanging out with me for a little bit. I thank you for it. I appreciate you for it. And if I can encourage you before I go, be the hands and feet of Jesus and his mouthpiece. Find somebody during this holiday season that you can extend the hand of Jesus to in some kindness and be a blessing to somebody during this holiday season. So let us just exercise our faith, put it into action, and do something kind for somebody. Okay? I love you guys. I'll see you back here in my kitchen real soon for another great recipe. This is Gigi. Bye, guys. Y'all, I popped back on here really, really quick. Now, I may have overfilled it just a little bit, but I wanted to show y'all this little mini. This is like a little mini, like the size of a saucer plate. But I want to show y'all this little cherry pie I made for my husband. I'm going to put some ice cream on top of it. I just want to show that to y'all real quick. Bye.